What's going on, guys? So in this video I want to show you a really interesting method, and I call this the sniper method, and you're gonna see why I call it that, because it's a very unusual method that allows you to get free traffic and also make money in a couple of other ways. But primarily we're going to be doing affiliate marketing, but you can also make money, and you will also make money using something else automatically. So there's an extra bonus, call it like a 2-for-1 special, if you will. So there's a lot of interesting things, there's a lot of moving pieces, and this works with any niche. Okay, and speaking of niches, the first thing that we need to do is we need to figure out what kind of niche we want to promote. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, so here I have best niches to make money, and we have the most profitable niches here. Now, if you already know what kind of niche you want to promote, if you know exactly what you want to be doing, that's great. All right, that works. Now, if you don't know what you want to be doing, then take a look at this, right? So we can open this list here. This is the first result here in Google. And we can see, right, the health niche, we have, what do we have? The dating niche, make money online niche, we have learn to sing. This is actually a really good list. Usually I don't, go through this little step here, but this is actually a really good list because they break it down for you, right? So we have the health niche, weight loss, weight gain, muscle build. There's a lot of ideas. This is actually a really good list. If you like this list, I'm actually going to be referencing this list going forward. I really like it, right? We have the dating niche and we have the make money online niche. Now, the way I approach this, right, I consider these three main niches, and this is actually the first three that I have here: the health niche, the dating niche, and the make money online. I consider these the three big niches. Everything else, these are gonna be like these little niches that don't fall into that category. They are gonna be these like smaller niches, right? So for instance, learn to play, learn to speak another language, green energy. These little niches, the reason I call them little niches is because they're not going to be applied to everybody, right? The big niches, chances are, they're going to apply to the majority of people. The majority of people want to lose weight, they want to gain weight, they want to look nice, right? That's the majority of people. The dating niche, right? Majority of people. Make money online niche, the majority of people. So this list is right here. You can just Google for it on being best niches to make money. This is the first result. I have it as the first result. You guys can open it up. Now, for the purpose of this example, we're going to be doing make money online. But like I said, you can do anything that you want, okay? You can apply the method that I'm about to show you in any niche, okay? The next thing you guys want to do is you want to Google for a site, a platform that allows people to sell courses. So Udemy is an example, right? So for instance, if I open this up right here, we have Udemy. Now, what is Udemy? Udemy is a place where you can buy a course and you can sell a course. It's a marketplace for buying and selling courses. That's really all it is. So, new to Udemy, lucky you. But this is not the only one. There's all kinds of other ones. If you do Udemy Versus, we have Coursera, we have Skillshare, we have all of these. And all of these places, you can essentially go out, you can buy and sell a course. Now, we're not going to be buying a course today. We're going to be actually making a course, okay? And I'm going to explain to you why that's very important. Now, you can find another platform, but for the purpose of this example, we're just going to be using Udemy, and I'm going to explain to you why. If you do Udemy, you can do something like how do I become an entrepreneur, right? Udemy is big enough that they cover all kinds of niches. So you can, if you do make money online, you can sell a course on Udemy. If you're doing dating, if I type dating, you can sell a course on Udemy. So Udemy is kind of this catch-all service, but it's not the best one. It might not be the best one in your specific needs. Okay, guys, got to remember that. All right, so we have dating. You can also do weight loss. They have courses for that, right? Anything that you want, they have courses. You can kind of consider it like kind of the Google of courses, right? People come here. It gets millions and millions of hits, visits every single month. It's a huge site, okay? It's one of the biggest ones out there, right? So what we want to do, guys, if I type entrepreneur or make money online, so let's say entrepreneur, we have intro to entrepreneurship, get started as an entrepreneur. We have a course here, okay? Now, what we want to do, guys, is we want to create a course and we want to sell it here, okay? and I'm going to explain to you why that's important. Now, you can build it yourself, and what you want to do is you want to open this up, and you want to, when you are, let's say this is going to be your first course, right? And you can do it yourself, but you don't have to do it yourself. I'm going to show you a shortcut as well. And there's a couple of ways you can approach it. But let's say, you want to build a course like this one, right? What you guys want to do is you want to open it up, and you want to scroll down, and you want to go here. You want to go to the course content just to get an idea of what is a course that costs 15 bucks, and that's number one in the results. So what does it have? So we have 14 sections, 91 lectures, 14 hours total length. You don't have to create a course like this, and you don't have to create any course, right? Because this is the next step. The next step is you can Google for something called PLR, and this is done for you content. PLR stands for private label rights. It's essentially you are buying not only the content, but you're buying the rights to resell it, right? Like for instance, I enroll in this course, I copy all the content, I start selling. I can't do that. I don't have the rights to resell this content. The person who created this course retains the copyright, all right? On the other hand, this PLR stuff, you're not only getting the content, you're getting the right to resell it. I'm not buying a course. I'm actually getting the right to resell it as my own, right? So let's open this first result here just to give you an example. And then in a second, I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to be doing affiliate marketing with this. All right, so here's the website, right? Done for you PLR content for coaches that you can brand as your own. All right, guys, now remember this. This is one of many, many sites, okay? You can use other sites. I use the site called Buy Quality PLR for some of my projects. This is not a sponsored post. You don't have to use this site. You can pick a site that you want to use. They're all very similar. They all pretty much have the same type of content. And take a look at this, guys. When you come to this site, you have content marketing, social media calendar. We want the course, right? So you can come in here, right? And we have a course. You can create your free account, and you have courses. You can buy courses. Look at this, products. Look how many products they have. They have courses, coaching programs. We're going to go in here. We're going to go to courses. And you can essentially buy a course and resell it. Look at this. Success Brain. We have 8 products here. We have, all of these courses. Keep the Fire Burning. And some of them have video content. They have audio content, etc., etc. So what you guys want to do, you have 2 options here. Option 1 is you can go out and create your own course. And yeah, it could be daunting at first. It has 14 sections, 14 hours, but not all courses are going to be like this. Look at this one, 7 total hours, 9 total hours, 5.5 total hours, right? Obviously, this is another niche, but 3 total hours. Okay, so the psychology of the ultimate entrepreneur, 3 total hours, right? That's not a lot. 3 hours is not a lot. I created courses before, and trust me, this is nothing, right? 3 hours is like nothing, right? Now, on the other hand, 14 hours, that's pretty substantial. That's pretty substantial. Now, this is the key here. Let me show you a diagram, okay? Let me show you how this works. We have Udemy, right? This is Udemy. This is us, right? So this is us. What we do is we create a course, on Udemy, okay? This is a buyer. This is a buyer right here. They come to Udemy to buy it, right? This is us. So this is the course. We added to Udemy, and Udemy is kind of like lots of these C's, right? These little courses, well, not so little, I guess, but like all of these little courses inside Udemy. And this is a buyer. This is another person. They come. Now, what they get, they buy it, they give money, they get a course back. And inside the course, we can have anything that we want, right? We're going to give them the course. But we are also going to do is we're going to create a documents in Google Docs, right? Just Google for Google Docs. And you're going to create a document that looks something like this. This is going to be their beginner starter kit. So I have here a new entrepreneur starter kit. And if you want a template to this, leave a comment below and I will tell you where to get the template. If you want a template, if this video has a bunch of likes, I'm going to create another template to another really, really exciting niche. Okay, you guys can use this template. It's free. But let me know in the comments below and I will make it available. And like this video as well if you want to see this template. And what is the purpose of this template? Well, guys, let me explain to you. We're going to go back here. We're going to go back to our tool. The course they're going to get. So let's say they get this course. And it has, module, 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 module. The first document is going to be our starter kit, okay? And if they are entrepreneurs, they want to become an entrepreneur, yeah, they can, learn the course, they can download the course and do all that, but they have to do a lot of other things, guys. Okay, they need to register a company. They need to get hosting. All of these are hosting. Maybe they need a VPN, right? VPN is very important. They need WordPress hosting. They need regular hosting, right? Bluehost, SiteGround, HostGator, all of this stuff. And what you guys can do, you can simply, if you want to, you can create 50 offers here. And I recommend creating at least 20 offers. I have 12 here, but I would recommend doing 20, right? What you guys want to do, you can do something like this: best affiliate programs for entrepreneurs. All right, so here we have another list. This is millennialmoney.com, best affiliate programs, okay? We have Bluehost, A2 Hosting, and you can simply come to each of these places. You can sign up as an affiliate. You can create this document right here. And when they click on it, these are all going to be affiliate links, guys, okay? You can just select it, Command K or Control K, and you can link it to whatever. Google, obviously, you're not going to be linking to Google. You're going to be linking to an affiliate, some kind of a, an affiliate program link. So I will just do Google for the purpose of this example. Here is Command K, google.com. Okay, and now this is going to be a link. These green, these are all links as well. And so when they get the document, now remember, guys, if you go back here, this is the course, and this is our document. They're going to get both of this. You can include whatever you want. You can just, you can include 20 documents, 30. It doesn't matter how you format it and how you present the course, how you compile the course. Doesn't really matter. So what I recommend is you go out and you look at these courses. Then you go to PLR, right? You're going to go to PLR content. You're going to go to plr.me here, and you're going to go to tools. You're going to go to products. You're going to get courses. You're going to get a course in that niche that we are promoting, that you're creating. Or you can go out and create your own course. You're going to sell that course. Now, very important. You don't want to sell it for $15. You can sell it for, I recommend selling it for like $9.99. Undercut these guys a little bit. Undercut them, because we're going to be making a lot of money in affiliate marketing. And that way, more people will buy it and more people will sign up for these programs. And obviously, you're going to be making money with the course as well. You're going to have more people because your price is going to be lower. It's going to be more competitive in the market. Now, guys, it's important to understand this works in any niche. Let's go back to these niches, and I can show you, right? We have Make Money Online niche, right? This could be about blogging. Entrepreneur is a very, very broad topic. You can focus on blogging, right? So if we go back to Udemy, and I just type blogging, you're going to have a course on creating a blog. Blogging masterclass, 10,000 reviews. So a lot more people bought it. 3.5 hours, right? Nothing. You can create it yourself in an afternoon. It's nothing. Or maybe in a week, couple of days, an hour a day. You can just talk about blogging. And if you don't know what to talk about, if you want to create a course, you can just Google for it. You can just Google for like blogging for beginners and find like a really nice article here. You can just find a high quality article and just talk about it. You can have your face on camera. You don't need to have your face on camera. Or you can just go to PLR, blogging content. You can just Google something like this and you're going to have blogging PLR, right? By quality PLR. You can have all this content. You're going to find amazing stuff. This is why I like this article a lot, this thing, because it shows all these little things. You want to, the health niche is another one. Pick a niche that you're kind of familiar with. Pick a niche that you're comfortable with and work with that niche. We have the dating niche. We have the Make Money Online. Like I said, the first three are these big niches because they affect the majority of people. Everybody wants to lose weight. 90% of people, they want to either gain muscle, lose weight. Dating is not only dating, guys. This is also relationship. This is also marriage counseling. This is also bettering yourself. I don't call it the dating niche. I call it the self-improvement niche. Okay, so also 90% of the people out there, they want to improve something about themselves. Make money online. Everybody, 90% of people want to make more money. It's common sense. On the other hand, this learn to sing or play an instrument, Not everybody. I don't know how to play an instrument. I never played an instrument. I don't care about playing an instrument. This doesn't apply to me. Learn to speak another language. Well, yeah, I like learning languages, but a lot of people don't. The majority of people don't care. The green energy. I don't know anything about this niche. I don't own a house. I don't know what this green energy. Spirituality. Okay, I'm not into spirituality, but so it's a sub niche. It's a sub niche, right? These first three are niches. This is more like a sub niche. So pick something that you're comfortable with, that kind of you connect with. Either go for the major. I just recommend going for the major niches initially. Then you can go for the sub niches later, and then create a course. Follow my process. Follow my steps here, and you're going to be making money with affiliate marketing as well as making money with the course. And here's a little bit. If you're watching this far, I appreciate you. I got you. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you're watching this far. And I can tell you that you can also create multiple courses in major niches. So self-improvement, make money online, and the health niche. And that way you can cover all your bases. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions below. Let me know if you enjoyed this content. And I'll see you in the next